Assessment number 20. Choose correct answer. Number 1. Letter E. From the opposite triangle, the area of triangle ABC equal what? We have obtuse triangle, and this height perpendicular to the base here. The base was 5 or 55. We have 5.5 centimeter, and the corresponding height was 3 centimeter outside because we have obtuse triangle, and the area will be half product by base, product by height. Choose letter C. He won't find the area. Okay. Next example, the area of the opposite trapezium. We can find the area of trapezium by right half the sum of two bases 5 and 7 product by the height with 3. We have two bases here, 7 centimeter and 5 centimeter, and the height 3. The result will be half the product sum of them, 7 plus 5 12, product by 3. Half of 12 it will be 6. 6 times 3 equal 18 square centimeter. The result will be 18, or you can divide it two parts. It will be 3, and we have here 5. 5 was 7. 7 minus 5 equal 2. In the first 3 product by 5 equal 15 square centimeter. It's the area, and the area about this triangle, half times the base times the height, will be 3. Then 15 plus 3 equal 18 square centimeter. You can solve by this method or last method. Okay. Next question, letter C. If the price of TV set is 20,000 pounds, then 1% of its price. 1%, its meaning 1 over 100 of its meaning multiplication from the total number 20,000. Cancel double zero by double zero, and then 1 times 200, it will be 200. The result will be 200 pounds. Next question, letter D. From the opposite figure, the distance between E and B equal what? We have here point E was -10, and we have 0, and point B was 30. We can count the distance from the point E to 0, it will be 10, as the distance from 0 to B will be 30. Then the result will be 40. Or you can solve this method by write the absolute value about first plus absolute value about second. The absolute value about this number, it will be -10, plus the absolute value about 30 will be 30. Then the result will be 10 plus 30 equal 40. Next question, letter E. The area of the opposite trapezium, it will be what? We have isosceles triangle. We can draw it and find the length to the base here was 2, and we have here 2, and the height, count with me, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and the distance between them, count with me, 1 2. We have 1 2 3 4 5. Then you can find the area about first triangle. Half product by base, product by height. It will be 4 units, square units, 4 square units. And triangle number 2, it's exactly half times 2 times 4, it will be 4 square units. and 3 rectangle, 4 product by 5, side base times height, or 5 product by 4 equal 20 square units. Then the total area of some of them, or area of this figure, it will be 4 plus 4 plus 20. It will be 28 square centimeter. 28 square centimeter. Okay, understood. Choose letter A, or you can solve this example by the method. Okay, I will give you the new method to solve this example. Okay, we have here 5 plus 2 plus 2, it will be 9, and this space was 5. Then we can find the area by using the rule of the sum of two bases product by the height. Two bases, 5 and 9, product by the height here 4. Right, half product by 5 plus 9, 14, product by 4. Half of 4, it will be 7. 7 product by 4 equal 28 square units. You can solve by this method or another method as you like, okay? Next question. What is the area of parallelogram with base 12.5 centimeter and its height centimeter? The area of parallelogram equal base times the height. The base times corresponding height. Then the area will be 12.5 product by corresponding height 4. 4 times 5, 20, 0 and the carry of 2, 2 times 4 equal 8, plus 2 equal 10, 0 and the carry of 1, 1 times 4 equal 4, plus 1 equal 5. The result will be 50 square centimeter. Next example, the area of the opposite trapezium equals what? The area of trapezium of sum of two bases times the height. We have two bases, 10 and 5, product by corresponding height 4. Then half product, the sum of them, it will be 15, product by 4. Half times 15 times 4 equals 60. 60 divided by 4 equals 30. 30 square centimeter. Okay, next question, letter B. The image of the point 3 and 0 reflection across y-axis. We have the rule about reflex at y-axis. About reflex, you must put x and change the sign of it and write y, because you want to find reflex of y-axis. The reflex of y-axis, you must put x and change the sign of it. Put x here was 3, 0. Then the reflex about y-axis, it's meaning write x here and change sign about 0. 0, it will be 0 because 0 is non-positive and non-negative. The result will be change the sign of what? Of x-axis. Here it will be -3 and 0. If you want to find the image about this point about reflection at x-axis, you must put x and change the sign of y. But in this example, he wants to find a reflection about this point across y-axis. Across y-axis, it's meaning put y itself here and change the sign of x. We must change the sign of x. The first projection, you must change the sign of it. It will be negative. Okay. Next question. Letter C. 1 subtract by half plus 30% equals base percent. We have here 1, it will be 100%. Subtract by half, it will be 50%. plus 30%. You can write 100%, subtract some of them, it will be 80%. The difference between them, it will be 20%. Question letter D. 45% of 1 kilometer equals space meter. 45%, it's meaning 45 over 100 of its meaning product between 1 kilometer. You must convert from kilometer to meter. Right, 45 over 100 product by 1000 to convert it to meter. Cancel double zero by double zero, then the result will be 450. Letter E, space kilometer per hour equal 10 meter per minute. We must convert from meter to minute. Look at here, 1 meter per 1 minute. We want to convert it to kilometer per hour. We have two conversion here. First conversation about this example, we can cancel. We have here 10 meter per 1 minute. You must cancel the meter. To cancel meter, you must write meter down, and the new solution unit kilometer up, and we have 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter, and we must cancel minute. Write minute up, and the new units hour down. Cancel minute, write minute up and hour down. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Cancel meter by meter and minute by minute, and then product the result. 10 times 1 times 6, 60 over 1000. You can cancel double zero by double zero, and the result will be 6 over 10. 6 over 10, it will be 0.6. Then you can write here 0.6. The result will be 0.6. Okay, understood? The result about question letter E, write 0.6. These tips, okay, you must know these tips. It's very important to convert from meter per minute to kilometer per hour using conversion factor. Graph the points and name the shape. We have graphical here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have -1, -2, and we have here 1, 2, 3, -1, -2. The first point was 2 and 3, 2 to 3. Going from 2 to 3, it's point A, and point B 4 and 3, 4 and 3. It's point B. Point C 2 and 0. We have here right angle triangle. Okay, it's right angle triangle, ABC. Right angled triangle, or you can write triangle only. You can write triangle or right angle triangle. Next example, which one is greater in the area? The area of rhombus, we have rhombus. Side length was 5.2 centimeter, and the height was 3.4 centimeter. Okay, we can find the area about this rhombus. 5.2 product by 3.4. Right, 52 product by 34. 2 times 4 equal 8, 4 times 5 equal 20, plus 100, 0, 2 times 3 equal 6, 3 times 5, 15, and then you can add them. 6 plus 0, 6, 2 plus 5, 7, and put 1. And the point will be after two places. So area 1 area 2. We have parallelogram. We have base and corresponding height. The base 4 and 8 or 4.8 centimeter and the height 4.7, right? 48 product by 47. 7 times 8 equal 56, right? 6 and the carry of 5. 4 times 7 equal 28. 28 plus 5 equal 33. Plus 0. 4 times 8 32, right? 2 and the carry up 3. 4 times 4 16 plus 3 equal 19. And the result 2 and 2, 5 and 6. The point here will be after two places. We can comparing between them. The parallelogram is greater than. You can write the parallelogram is greater in area. Parallelogram is greater in area.